Supposedly this graveyard is haunted. I might mention some claims as we go through here. But right now we're just going to take in the beauty of this old side of this graveyard. And yes, it's a graveyard because there is a church on the premises. Let's get started. There's my lovely wife and my dog Kitt right down yonder. I might have should have put my shotgun mic on because the wind's getting pretty bad here. But yeah, it's been said that this is haunted. It sure is beautiful though, look at it. Oh, you can see movement back right yonder from the wind. Yeah, it's supposed to be where it's supposed to be haunted at the most. Yeah, ghost hunters have been here and they said they had picked up voices on their little ghost boxes. Some people's been here and said they was chased out. And this little area right here, some say they see apparitions. I say bull poopy, but let's go over here anyway. Some of these urban legends and ghost stories I put a little bit of oomph to them. Like, you never know. This one, no. Because the party I got it from was some young folks. And they're the ones that told me it's haunted. So more than likely, it's just an urban legend they picked up maybe. But yeah, let's look at this and try to figure out what the heck this is. I have no idea. I can tell you now the stone is very old. It's a mound of some sort. It kind of goes up in a hill. Not an Indian mound. I have no clue. None. I could have parked my car right over yonder if I thought about it. But let's head over here where Angie and them are at. And let's just walk through here. Because if it's haunted, maybe a ghost will come and tell us to leave. Yeah. Wouldn't that be nice? Well, this graveyard comes with a swing set. Benches to sit down on. I don't know. You think there's something? You see that plaque in front of that tree? No. I'm gonna go down there and see if it's just a tree stump or a plaque that has writing on it. Now that I'm getting closer to it, it's just a big old tree stump that it fell. From back there, it looked like it might have been a plaque of some sort. But right here's the swing set. Oh, it is beautiful. Let's give a pan around so I could test out, so I could get to learning my monopod. That's it. Let's do a small pan around. Now on my tripod, I could do this by loosening up a few things and using a rubber band. Yeah, a rubber band. Let's go right on through here. Not too much wind over here, but it sure is beautiful. I've never really seen too many graveyards with swing sets. I have in the past, but not too many of them. You got like a little sit down area right yonder there. Let's swing all the way around. And on over yonder there, that's the new side of the graveyard. We're going to stick with the old. I like the old better than the new. Always have. And right here's the old. That's where Angie and Kitt is. Let's go up there and look at some of the tombstones. As I walk around with pan from here to there and see what we can see. That's nice, isn't it? Holy smokes, that's beautiful. Oh, I love the ones way over yonder there. They look to be the oldest. Should we head over there? I think we should. I'm still learning the weight of this camera by the way. And I'm also learning the monopod, but look at this. Oh my gosh. This is nice. Especially that tombstone right there, overlooking the farmhouse right over there. Oh, wow. This may be the oldest one in this graveyard. Can't really read what's on it. Maybe you guys can. Look all around it. But yeah, it's facing this right over here. Beautiful, isn't it? We're going to test out the zoom on this monopod. I'm also checking for my stability here. I could go closer than that if I wanted to. Angie with Kitt. Let's back out. I could have done a slower back out, but... And there's our car, which I'm going to be getting video of that soon, something we did. I was going to do that before this video, but I didn't. Let's zoom in down this way. The new side over there. Let's back out as we turn around. Oh, I got to learn that better. I am liking the Monopod. Of course, I won't know how well it did, how well it's doing till I go home and do the edit. But yeah, I got to work on backing back out slowly. You know, and all touch with the finger. Let's turn around. Oh, it is beautiful. Oh, there's Kitt. Kitt sees me from here. There's my puppy dog. Probably trying to figure out what Dad's doing. But yeah, supposedly this is haunted. Have we heard anybody tell us to get out? No. Have we heard any voices? No. Have we seen any apparitions? Not that I'm aware of. So it's just an urban legend, I think, brought on by teenagers. But I'm not disappointed. No, I didn't come here for the haunting of this graveyard. I come here for the beauty. There's a real dark grave right yonder there. There's a couple dark tombstones right here that's been broken off. But the one I'm going over to is this one right here. Oh, this is beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Let's see, 1884. Oh, this is beautiful right here. Absolutely beautiful. Now, have you ever wondered why I never go to the news side? I find beauty in that as well. Don't get me wrong, but I'm more for the older ones. I don't know, I seem to... There's one over here encased as well, just like that one that was over there we got. But I'm more in tune with the older tombstones. Let me get you, baby. Might use you for a thumbnail. Let me get Mr. Kitt here. We'll use him for a thumbnail. Yeah. But yeah, let's go over here and see what this is. The only thing I do worry about the Monopod, how am I showing up on video right now? See, in my little viewfinder there, make sure I'm not zoomed in, I'm showing up very big. I don't like it being so close to me. I like to have a distance if I can. Plus, am I getting all of me in here? Oh, I was a little sideways. There we go. Have no idea what this is all about. And there's one right over yonder we got first, but I have no idea. There goes Angie off to the new side. She likes the new side as well as the old. Me, I'm more for the old side. And by the way, here's this beautiful church. Reason I'm not mentioning the name of this cemetery, I'm sorry, graveyard, just in case some people that live local to southeastern Indiana says, hey, this one Bubba Mike once says he heard it's haunted. Let's us go through there, you know, at nighttime. If you're doing what I'm doing now, that's mighty fine. But coming here at nighttime, you know, it could be dangerous. You could be tripping over some tombstones. And plus, I'm not here to do a ghost hunt. So I don't want to disturb the dead. But I am here in case maybe, if it is haunted, maybe something might say something to me. Yeah. Of course, they said their ghost boxes pick something up, and I don't believe in them. Alright guys, this is it right here. This is another urban legend ghost story for you. I should have one or two more to go before our Halloween's over, but don't worry. I'm going to probably bring them every now and then once October is over, as I'm enjoying doing these. Let's get one more shot way down yonder, and then we'll close her out. There we go. Much easier as long as I don't have to hold the camera. Oh, this camera's got a little bit of weight. And to be truthful, I got arthritis in my hands. And no, I'm not getting old, no. But yeah, I'm getting a new side as well as I did the old. Yeah, and over yonder, right over there, you got cornfields. Yep. It's just as beautiful. let's take off and head right back up through here, and we'll give our closing thoughts. It sure is beautiful though. This is definitely one graveyard we have not been to. It's hard to find a graveyard within a 60-mile range of our house that we have not been to. We do have some graveyards on the docket for Madison, Indiana. One supposedly haunted more so than this, and it gets a lot of people going in there looking for their ghost. Was going to go there today, but I did not feel like driving to Madison. Maybe next week. And then we got another thing on the docket. We're hoping to pull this off. We're hoping to go to Tunnelton, Indiana, and get a haunted train tunnel that we've gotten before some years ago, but this time do it more justice. You know, videotape it with the G70 and maybe get some better light. And I'm hoping to go through there by myself. I can't take Kitt through there because it's an active train tunnel. I don't want him getting a crap scared out of him if a train does come. Alright guys, there you go. I thought I'd bring a cemetery, or sorry, a graveyard. Right now we're going to head to another location, and I'm probably going to get another video what I did to my car. Did something very fancy with my car on the inside. That's actually seems to be working. You're just gonna have to wait till the next video to find that out. Until next time, come on, let's get out of here. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys on the next video.